Hallelujah. We'll be gathered home. Hallelujah. Tell the story how we overcome. We'll understand it better. Oh, trial dark on every hand. Trial dark on every hand. Once we gather. Oh, the ways that God has blessed promised land. But He'll guide us with His eye. Hallelujah. We'll understand it better. Oh, glory to His name. Hallelujah. By and by, when the morning comes, when all the things are gone out and home, we'll tell the story how we overcome. Oh, we'll understand it better by and by. Temptation instead of temptation unaware. And your hands are made to play for. Hallelujah. We wonder why the test when we try to do our best. Oh, we understand it better by and by. Hallelujah. By and by, when the morning comes, when all the things are gone and running home, we will tell the story how we overcome. Oh, we'll understand it. Let's sing the last verse again. Temptation, hallelujah. Temptation instead of to take us unaware. And our hands are made to play for us. Hallelujah. And we wonder why the test when we oh, but we'll understand it. Hallelujah. It's better by and by. When the morning comes, when all the things are gone out running home, we will tell the story how we overcome. Oh, we'll understand it better by hallelujah, by and by. By and by, when the morning comes, when all the things are gone out running home, we will tell the story how we overcome. Oh, we'll understand it better by and by. In the sweet by and by, we shall meet on that beautiful shore. In the sweet by and by, we shall meet on that beautiful. Oh, there's a land there underneath. There's a land that is there underneath. And by faith we can sail afar. On the farther way to prepare, hallelujah, to prepare us where it is there. Hallelujah, the by and by, we shall meet on that beautiful shore. In the we shall sing on that beautiful shore. We shall sing on that beautiful shore. The melodious song of the blessed and our spirit. Oh, we shall soar no more. Hallelujah. Not a sigh for the blessing of prayer. In the place God.